Hello everybody. Today I'll be talking about Stellar from SMK Helmets. Its ergonomic design makes it convenient to maintain by our users. It is very easy to do replacement with any SMK helmet. Let's find out how. First, open the visor fully. Then pull the visor opening snap down to the full extent and gently pull it out of the channels. Repeat the same for the other side. To insert the visor, align the pivots and L-shaped legs on the channel provided on the visor mechanism and push it in place. To replace the visor mechanism, first remove the visor. Then use a screwdriver to open the screw. Now snap down the visor opening using your thumb and gently tilt the visor mechanism from the other side using your fingers to remove it from its slot. Now insert the locking leg first in the slot provided and push the visor mechanism in its slot. Then screw it back in place using a screwdriver. Grab the breath deflector and gently pull it out. Align the hole on the breath deflector on the chin bar boss and push it in place. Repeat for the second hole. After this, if required, just adjust the breath deflector on the chin bar. Gently pull the stop vent starting from one side to remove the leg of the stop vent from the chin guard. Then gently pull from the middle and the other side and the stop vent will come out. To insert the stop vent, align the snaps with the slot provided in the helmet and gently snap it into place. To remove the cheek pad, first unlock the chin strap. Then gently pull the cheek pad from the front and you will hear a click sound of the two snaps opening. Then pull on the inner side of the cheek pad such that the plastic sheets come out of the helmet. Now unlock the third snap on the back side of the helmet by gently pulling the cheek. Finally, to free the cheek pad, remove the chin strap from the provided slot. To put the cheek pad back in place, first insert the chin strap in the slot provided in the cheek pad. Align the cheek pad with the helmet and insert the plastic sheet in the provided slot. Now push the plastic sheet in place, then push the 3 snaps one by one. A click sound will confirm their placement. First, remove the 2 snaps on the back of the helmet. Then unlock the 3 locks of the bandana in the front of the helmet one by one. To unlock the bandana, gently pull the bandana down using the thumb and unlock. To put the liner in place, align the bandana with the pin locks provided. First, gently push the bandana and it will snap in its place. Repeat for the other two locks. Once this is done, spread the liner inside the helmet. Finally, push to close the two snaps on the back of the helmet. Place your thumb under the vent and gently pull. The air vent will come out easily. To replace the front vent, align the two legs with the slot provided on the helmet and snap it into place. Place your fingers under the vent and gently pull. The air vent will come out easily. To replace the top vent, align the four legs with the slot provided on the helmet and snap it into place. See how easy the entire replacement process was. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.